Hello, this is Gianfranco Moreno from the EFWA team, and this is going to be the installation guide video. So I'm going to install all the requirements in Windows Server 2016 Data Center Edition. The first thing that we need to do is install the Ias Service. So we're going to go to Control Panel and then Programs, turn Windows features on or off. We're going to wait until everything loads, and then we're going to click Next. Installation type, role-based or feature-based installation. We're going to select just the full server. And we're going to look for Web Server IIS. Include management tools. If applicable, add features. We're going to click Next. Then we're going to look for anything else that we might need. In this case, the .NET frameworks needed are already included. Let's click this as well. WCF. We're going to install everything. And we're going to look for something else that we might need. I think we're good, so we're going to click Next. Next again. We're going to see for any final features, optional features. HTTP redirection is something that we might need, so we're going to just select it. And I don't think there's anything else needed, so we're good. And then we're going to click Install. So we're just going to wait until everything is done. So installation succeeded. We're going to close it. And now we're going to go and install Visual Studio 2017 Enterprise Edition. And we're going to download that application from the on the Hub, Florida International University School of Computing and Information Systems webpage. And this is the URL that we're going to be using. We need to register our account with our FIU email and password. And we're going to look for, we're going to go to Microsoft Imagine, and we're going to look for Visual Studio 2017, this one, Enterprise Edition, and for SQL Server 2017, a Standard Edition. I already had the applications downloaded, so I'm just going to start with Visual Studio Enterprise Edition. I'm going to double click the installer. I'm going to run it. It's going to start downloading all the needed components. Okay, so the installation is finished. So we're gonna see the actual installer working now. We're gonna pick the following options: ASP.NET and web development, and data storage and processing. And then we're gonna go to the bottom all the way where it says Visual Studio Extension Development and that .NET Core cross-platform development. From the optional tools, we're going to pick development time IIS support, .NET Core 2.0 development tools, and .NET Core 1.0 development tools for web. We're going to see if there's another optional installations that we might need. Yes, in this case, let's going to pick ASP.NET MVC4, and I think that should be it. Data storage, we're good. Visual Studio extensions, we're good. And yeah, so we're good. And then we're just going to click install. And we're going to come back when this is done. So the installation finished. So we're going to go and see what's going on there. We're not going to sign in into developer services. We're going to just select, regardless, doesn't matter which one we pick. And we're going to start first to install the Bitbucket connector. In Team Explorer, we have local Git repositories. We're going to install a Bitbucket connector. So for that, we're going to go to this address, https marketplace visualstudio.com, and then we're going to look for Visual Studio Bitbucket extension. I already downloaded it, so I'm going to install it. Before, let's close Visual Studio. Sorry, that was the wrong button. This one. And we're going to close the installer. So we're going to run the Visual Studio installer. This one is going to install the Bitbucket extension. We're going to click install. I'm going to wait until it finishes. And we're going to come back when it's done. So it finishes. It's finished. We're going to click close. And we're going to open Visual Studio to see what happened. As you can see, we got the Bitbucket extension, and we just need to log in. We're gonna do Bitbucket server. We're gonna put the server, the URL of our Bitbucket repository, then our FIU login password. So that's it for now. We're gonna go and see the next step, which is installing SQL Server 2017 Standard Edition. So the ISO that we downloaded, we're going to mount it. Once we mount it, we're going to click Setup and we're going to run. But I'm going to explain that in the next video.